Page 309. This is harmonization and composing or whatever, making up a melody or whatnot for Mixolydian mode. All right, let's see at the top. They give a melody. They want you to harmonize to it, but they're giving you the chord names. They're just regular chord names. The mode isn't having any effect on these. They're just regular chord names. However, I want to hear the melody. It's 3/8 time. So 1. We're in G Mixolydian mode. G Mixolydian mode, remember, is the same as a G major, except that 7th step is lowered 1. So it's that. It's all white keys. You can't hit all the notes down, but you get the idea. Okay. Then the chords, well, just regular chords. We got G chord, F, D minor, G chord, F, G. Okay. Then I try it with the melody to see what it sounds like. Not too shabby, I guess. See, it almost sounds like a major, but it's not quite because of the F naturals. If I played it in G major, it would be F sharps. Changes it slightly. It's better in Mixolydian mode. G Mixolydian. Mixolydian. Don't confuse me. Coffee. Where's the coffee? At the bottom of the page, they want you to make up a melody for that. So basically, in this position, make up a melody to it. Whatever. You make up your own melody, don't copy mine, and the accompaniment does its thing. I'm going to play the accompaniment, and you can make up your melody, but don't come in until the 5th measure. The first 4 measures are all introduction. That sets the tone and the tempo, the mood of the piece, and then you kind of blend in with that. Now they're suggesting a tempo here at 144. 144 would be rather quick. I'm slowing it down to 130, and that's fast enough for me. But we're going to take it at 130 at this speed, and then you can take it faster with whoever. 2, 3, 4.